A winter wonderland discovering Ortahisar, Cappadocia, Turkey, a land of magical rock formations, ancient cave homes, and a history as rich as the carpets you find in the markets. But today we're going somewhere different, to a small town covered in a beautiful blanket of winter snow, Ortahisar. Hidden among the amazing landscapes of Cappadocia, Ortahisar is a secret treasure waiting for us to find. High above Ortahisar stands Sivrikaya, a huge rock castle that looks like giants built it. It rises 90 meters, almost 300 feet from the valley floor, and it's an amazing sight. Imagine this natural fortress has been watching over the land for hundreds of years. Because it's in such a good spot, the castle was important throughout history.
That's it. That's it, our 50 liters.
It's the top of the castle. Unfortunately, it's forbidden to go up there.
Long ago, during the Byzantine times, it was a safe place for people to hide from invaders. Tunnels and rooms carved into the rock kept them safe. Today, you can still explore some of these ancient passageways. Climbing to the top of Sivrikaya is like traveling back in time. You get amazing views of the town and the valleys all around. Standing on top of Sivrikaya, you can feel the history all around you, connecting you to the past.
That's a Vermeer.
For a long time, Ortahisar was a hidden secret, less famous than its neighbor Göreme. But lately, travelers have started to discover the charm of this special town. People are talking about it, especially those looking for unique and less crowded places to visit. More and more tourists are coming to Ortahisar. Small guest houses and family-run restaurants are opening up. Even with these changes, the town has kept its charm, finding a balance between keeping its history and welcoming visitors. Ortahisar is a place where time slows down, a place to escape the busy world and remember simpler times.
Welcome to my shop. My name is Mehmet. Please, come in and take a look around.
Walking through the narrow streets of Ortahisar, we found a small shop with a sign that just said Onyx. Curious, we went inside and met the friendly owner, Mehmet. Mehmet's eyes lit up as he showed us his beautiful onyx pieces.
Onyx, a special stone with colorful stripes, is found right here in Cappadocia. The land here has created some of the most beautiful onyx in the world.
Mehmet showed us his workshop behind the shop. The air smelled like stone dust, and we heard the whirring of the polishing tools. You can't visit Turkey without going to a traditional market. In Ortahisar, the market is full of exciting sights and smells. Stalls are piled high with colorful spices, fresh fruits and vegetables, and of course, the famous dried fruits and nuts.
We went to one stall because the vendor was so friendly.
It's casual and hazelnut almond. You
can try hazelnut almond.
I can try, yeah,
Okay.
maybe a little bit.
Okay.
I'll try one.
Okay. Give me two. Bro.
Which one is this one?
Madam, hazelnut. Sir, you can try hazelnut? Okay,
Yes, please.
Just a minute, sorry.
Thank you.
And this
Is this good? It's
very
good?
good, madam. Very
Madam.
good.
So 3 for 200.
Yes, for
Three
you
pack.
price. For you price.
Not 4?
I'm already full.
Almond.
Nice, very nice. Very good.
Thank you so much.
He gave us lots of free samples to try. As we tasted the dried fruits, the vendor told us stories and jokes, laughing loudly. He made everyone feel like a friend.
I think that's enough.
Little more, 700.
Was 700 now, more.
But this, my brother, different shop, hotel.
Oh, you have a
Hotel.
hotel.
Yes,
Here.
my family, everybody, people boss.
So your own
Yes.
boss.
Yes. Boss.
Your own boss.
Yes.
Yeah, we bought something to your
Yes.
mama. Leggings.
This
for the
big boss,
two of us.
this big boss.
Yeah.
Big boss, very good people, but very dangerous.
Dangerous?
Oh. I am.
Gelin?
Tamam.
Gelin. What is gelin?
Are you married?
No, yeah.
No, this
Girlfriend.
my girlfriend.
Ah, yeah.
Now this, maybe next time, this married time.
I don't know. Maybe.
Girlfriend. Bro, hoş tamam. Okay. Aslanım benim be.
What's that
I am
gilid?
single.
Oh, why you didn't see anyone passing here?
No.
I tried. Everybody, girl, bet.
No. Tomorrow, maybe.
Turkey girl.
Okay, girl.
Turkey girl.
want to
China,
go there.
Taiwan, Hong Kong, it's good. Yes,
Okay,
good.
okay.
And the Japanese, I like.
You like Japanese?
For-
Go to
for-
Japan.
For this city,
Yeah.
Taiwan, Hong Kong,
No. But
Chinese, Japanese, I like.
You like?
I like.
Filipina. You like
Yes.
Filipina?
But I don't like Turkish people.
Oh no.
Mama knows? You
Mama,
don't
I
like?
like. Mama.
No, Mama knows you don't like
Mama,
Turkish
very
girl.
more like. Very more like. She's my mother. First children, me.
Ah, you're the eldest.
Yes.
oldest.
And
So
my
you're the
small
boss.
brother married. And one baby. One baby.
You soon.
Yes.
Soon.
One
Don't
baby.
worry, don't
I am
worry.
single.
You're single.
Find your.
Very bad life.
No.
Post here. Wanted. Girlfriend.
Wife.
Wife.
Wanted wife.
No.
Japanese and Chinese tourists. So one day.
You like.
Yes.
You like.
Which one? Oh, wait, where's the card?
We have
Oh, hotel.
Car.
bro.
Oh, baka kulang.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Eight.
This 8.
Yeah.
This 700. 100 lira my tip. Okay?
Okay,
Oh,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Can we take the photo?
Together. Come, bro.
Yes.
Photo.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you too. Good luck, bro.
Good luck to find a
Good
wife.
luck very more, bro. Very more.
No, good luck.
Yes. I don't good luck.
No.
You're a good man.
Good luck.
Yes.
You're a good man.
This is
Yes.
my husband.
Yes.
You're a good man.
Nice to meet you.
You'll find your partner.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Find your wife.
Yeah,
Yeah.
find your
Hopefully
wife.
you're gonna find wife.
Next
yeah?
year.
Yeah.
we'll
Next
come
year
back,
when
yeah.
you come back.
I am 29 years old.
Oh,
Maybe 3 years later.
years.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't marry.
No.
I go to girl time, maybe cafeteria. Take it 7 people. And I am married 7 girls.
We left the market with bags of treats and happy hearts. Only one, yeah. The dried fruit seller's kindness and humor showed us what Turkish hospitality is all about. Okay.
Pigeon Valley, where history takes flight. a beautiful canyon about 2.5 miles long. This valley is a hidden gem offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The valley gets its name from the thousands of pigeon houses carved into the soft rock walls. These structures are a testament to the ingenuity of the people who lived here. These pigeon houses are not just homes for birds, they show how clever people were and how they used the unique rocks of the area. The intricate designs and strategic placements of these houses are truly fascinating. Long ago, pigeons were very important in Cappadocia. They played a crucial role in the daily lives of the people. Their droppings were used to help plants grow and people ate pigeon meat. This practice was essential for the agricultural success of the region. As you walk through Pigeon Valley, you see amazing views. The landscape is dotted with unique rock formations and lush greenery. The path follows a stream and you can see old cave homes, rock-cut churches, and of course lots of pigeon houses. Each step you take reveals a new piece of history. Look for the tree of evil eyes, a strange sight that shows local superstitions. This tree is adorned with blue charms, believed to ward off evil spirits. Walking through Pigeon Valley is like stepping back in time, a quiet and peaceful place to escape the crowds. It's a journey through history, nature and culture, all in one breathtaking location. We went back to Goreme, our main place to stay in Cappadocia. The town, blanketed in snow, looked like a scene from a fairy tale, with its unique rock formations and cozy lights. After a day of exploring, we were hungry for a real Turkish meal. The cold weather made the idea of a warm, hearty dinner even more appealing. And what better way to taste the real flavors of Turkey than with a traditional testi kebabi? This dish is a true representation of Turkish culinary art. Testi kebabi, also called pottery kebab, is a special and tasty dish. It's a unique experience to see it being prepared and served. It's cooked in a sealed clay pot in a wood-fired oven. The slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. The ingredients, usually lamb or beef, vegetables and spices, cook slowly and become very tender and flavorful. The aroma that fills the air as it cooks is simply mouth-watering.
The best part is how it's served. The presentation adds to the overall experience, making it memorable. The clay pot is brought to the table still sealed and very hot. The anticipation builds as you wait for it to be opened. The waiter opens the pot, and a cloud of steam comes out, showing the delicious food inside. The sight and smell are enough to make your mouth water. We enjoyed every bite of our testi kebabi, with other small dishes and fresh bread. The combination of flavors and textures was simply delightful, making it a meal to remember.
Vegetarian.
The experience of a traditional Turkish dinner is not just about the food, but also about the ambience, the setting and the company. Memories etched in stone farewell to Ortahisar. As we left Ortahisar to go back to Goreme, we had so many great memories. We came to Cappadocia looking for adventure, and we found it in this charming Turkish town. Ortahisar was even better than we expected. From the huge Sivrikaya rock castle to the beautiful onyx carvings, from the kind dried fruit cellar to the mysterious tree of evil eyes, everything was amazing. We felt the warmth of Turkish hospitality, a kindness that made us feel welcome. As the lights of Ortahisar disappeared, we knew we would always remember this magical place. Until next time, Ortahisar.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do you need anything?
Good, thanks.
Enjoy.
Thank you.